Today we're going to show you how to change the water filter on your refrigerator, and it's a really easy job and you won't need any tools. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we're simply going to begin by pressing on that push button on the left side of that filter. Push it in firmly until it releases. And then you should be able to easily slide the old filter out just by pulling on the cap. And next we're going to just twist that cap counterclockwise, just about 1/8 of a turn, take that off. Now our next step will be to put the cap on the new filter. You'll note on that filter that there are two tabs, one a little bit larger than the other, that will made up with two slotted openings on the back side of that cap. So line those up and give that cap a little turn clockwise. Next we'll remove the protective cover on the back side of the filter and discard it. Then we'll line that filter up with the closed portion of the cap in the upward position. And we're going to push it firmly all the way in until the detent button locks it in place. So next we'll take a container and we're going to activate the water dispenser paddle for about 3 minutes just to flush that new filter out, and then your repair is complete.
You can purchase this filter at a cheaper price at filterforfridge.com. Come check us out.